Happy Friday. I am Beverly Adams, your A&R Program Assistant for the UGA Extension Office here in Forsyth County with my disease of the week, Boxwood Blight. Boxwood blight is a devastating fungus that is also known as box blight. It's a disease that affects boxwoods, although some species and cultivars are more susceptible than others. English boxwood and American or common boxwood, they are highly susceptible to the boxwood blight pathogen. There are no known resistant cultivars. Boxwood blight only attacks the above ground portions of boxwoods and not the roots. Infected leaves develop light or dark brown spots or lesions. These spots can combine and entire leaves turn brown or straw colored. Eventually the blighted leaves drop. Infections on the stems result in dark brown to black lesions or cankers. When these cankers combine, the stems become girdled and die. The pathogen survives in diseased tissues, including leaves that have fallen to the ground and cankers on stems that remain attached to the plant. The fungus, it spreads by splashing water caused by irrigation or rainfall. Pruning also can contribute to movement of the pathogen. Long distance dispersal is facilitated by the transport of infected nursery stock and plant debris. Wind apparently does not aid in dispersal of the spores over long distances. Boxwood blight thrives and spreads rapidly under warm, humid conditions. Commercial settings are particularly susceptible because of the proximity of plants, overhead irrigation, and an abundance of leaf debris. Under high humidity, white fuzzy spore clusters can be visible to the naked eye on infected stem and leaf tissue. The best thing to help with management and control of this disease is sanitation. Good sanitation practices help prevent the introduction and spread of the boxwood blight. These practices are critical for people and plants that may have come in contact with the pathogen. Boxwood blight causes rapid defoliation, and the resulting leaf litter can infect neighboring plants. Be sure to keep the area under your boxwoods clear of any debris and leaf litter, and monitor water runoff for any plant material that may be washing downstream. You want to use a sanitizer of 10% bleach solution or hydrogen peroxide to clean equipment and surfaces that may have come in contact with infected material. Be sure to wash your hands and clothing when dealing with host material. Shoes also can easily be disinfected with common aerosol sprays. There's currently no effective treatment for boxwood blight. All positive host material and surrounding leaf litter and soil should be double bagged and buried or burned. Do not replant the affected area with any of the host genera, as the pathogen can remain in the soil for years to come. If you think your boxwoods may be infected with boxwood blights, you can send in photos and bring in samples, and we can get a positive identification from the plant pathology lab at UGA. Also, some alternatives to boxwoods would be something like a Japanese holly or a dwarf Japan holly. We do have a great publication on alternatives to boxwoods that we can send you from the extension office if you need that. So my disease of the week is boxwood blight. I am Beverly Adams, the Forsyth County Extension Office A&R Program Assistant. This page contains our contact information. If you have any questions regarding my presentation, please contact us through email. You can also call and leave a message. You can reach out to us through our Facebook page or our website. Also, if you have any other horticulture questions, you can contact us, or 4-H questions, because Extension does include 4-H, and we can help you with those as well. I hope you all have a great weekend. I'll be back next week with my weed of the week.